Hey guys, it's Alyssa with So Fancy. Happy Tuesday. When you get on, hop on, let me know that you're here. Hop on. You're obviously going to be on, but hop on, say hi. Let me know that you're here. I'm just checking my computer so that I can see comments and be able to talk while we do this. Want to talk about the massive font bundle. Hey Tara, the massive font bundle. 57 fonts for $29.99. You can't beat it. I even did the math before I came on, and that's 34 cents a font, I think is what it came out to, which you can't beat. I mean, 57 fonts, you could font your whole house. You could make decals and label everything. You can make cards. You can, I always label all of my kids' stuff for school. But today I wanted to show you guys some layering, some more adhesive work, layering with registration marks. That's going to be fun. I picked up this tray at one of my local fun stores, I like to call it. It's a store where it has everything that you think that you need, but you really don't, but you can find everything in there. And they've got tons of blanks in these trays. They're like they're really good size. They're plastic trays. This one's a fun Halloween one, so I thought, why not decorate it for Halloween? I know it's backwards. It does say trick or treat, and this font is a garlic butter font from the massive font bundle, which it's going to be around for a couple more weeks. So if you haven't gotten it yet, you still have plenty of time to pick it up. I think October 14th is when it's going to end. So what I wanted to do was flip you around. I'm going to take you down and show you my computer. Sorry for the really closeness there. If I can show you here. Here we go. Okay. So on my studio, I just brought up the writer, and I'm going to put trick. Oh, I want to move that down. Or treat. Now, I know it's hard to see. I'm going to make it another color, just like we did the other day. And let's make this, I did this one in orange. So you make it orange. We're going to make it bigger so we can all see it. So then, if you come over here to your fonts, and I've got it right here, garlic butter. Look at how fun that one is. And then I want to center it as well. So we're going to click it into the center. Now this font has glyphs, and some of the fonts in the massive font bundle also has glyphs, which is so fun to be able to just add little elements in to your designs. So in this font batch bundle, down at the bottom of the fonts, they have all of these fun little ones that you can change around. So like I changed around RI. So I'm going to highlight the RI, and I'm going to come right down here, and now my R has a little swoosh under it, and my I became little. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I don't know if it had an AT. It does. So I'm going to do the same thing with the AT, and then for OR, I believe I had an OR. Yep, OR. So, look at how fun it is to change that all around. And then I made an offset on it, and I'm going to show you on this screen. Here's my offset, which fits right in. But to do an offset, you're going to come right over here to your offset panel, just right here. Highlight it, and offset. Now you can make it different thicknesses, different sizes, and to see where you're at with it, you can always change the color. I find that that helps me gauge how, well, I don't want to change that color, how thick my, catching the wrong one, my offset really is, and it made it separate here, so that's why I'm having troubles. And change this one, which I like that. I like how that looks. I think it's fun. And it's really not the same color because I'm going to use color vinyl, and I'm using Oracal. to switch it around. And I added registration marks here because I'm going to layer this. The registration marks will stay, and then when I go to line it up on my tray, I'll be able to match this exactly, or try to. We know how layering goes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to flip you back and set you back up here and pull you down. Not my ceiling. Sorry about that. Here we go. Now, I have, here we are. I weeded this one just to get started, and I'm going to weed this one out. This is our offset, which I already cut it instead of beforehand. And it weeds, I like to say, like butter, very easily. Put that aside. Now on here there are a couple little centers that you want to take out. And a little crescent there for the O. I think I need one of those weeding boxes. Or some lights. Just had, got really overcast here. Very quickly. There we go. Sometimes I like to bend this. I know some might not. And you can't really see. It's easier to do. You can catch the light on it to pull them up. Now I switched you guys around, and of course I can't see the comments, but I'll switch it back in a second. If anybody has any questions. What are y'all up to today? It's a sunny Tuesday, kind of sunny. Goes back and forth here out in the northeast. But, you know, there's a little piece on that A. There we go. And of course, you want to get out your weeding boxes. Make sure you take out the remainder of your boxes. Now, because this goes on top, I'm going to mask this one first. You always want to mask top down when you're transferring these. And I put the link up for the font bundle, for the Oracal, and for the transfer tape, because we got all that from our friends over at Swing. I'm going to put this here. And cut that a little too soon. There we go. Now, I have a little bubble in here. It's okay, because I'm going to pick it up, hopefully, and not catch the rest of my stuff, which I did. But we're going to save it. We are. Just like that. And this is going to go, this will be under the orange, so we're going to be okay. There we go. We saved it. Hooray for saving. Okay. I'm going to actually cut this so I don't have so much. I usually try to reuse all my tape, but sometimes too much is not your friend. So we're going to pick it up with our registration marks. And if it's not coming up, push it down a little more. Make sure you get all your little pieces off so that you don't take it with you. I think you guys can see okay. If you can't, give a little shout out. I'll switch this back over so I can see where we're at. Okay, one of my favorite things to do with layering is, instead of taking this whole sheet here and just laying this right down on top, I'm going to use my paper and protect the majority of my project. So I've just covered it back up so that I can line up my registration marks without putting my design down. So our registration marks are all lined up. And then this way, when we go to lay it down, we did not off center it or off kilter it at all. And then when we go to transfer it, we can do the same thing. We can place this down. I have a hair in there, excuse that. We're going to layer, we don't have to take our registration marks with us because everything's layered and put together now. Just want to make sure you do get it all up. And this is fun to just add a little extra something to what's already cute. But, you know, you can have all your candy out at Halloween like this. You can bring cupcakes to your kids at school. That type of thing. Now here we're just going to take off the registration mark. Move you guys back a little bit. Thought I had a hair and it's actually a crease in my tape, which is a good thing. And I'm going to put this, I'm going to make sure I'm about centered. And even if I wasn't, I'd be okay with it being off center. Put it down. And take our tape off. Look at that. So cute. I loved this tray before when I first saw it, and now I really love it. I will turn it around for you guys so you could see it. But yeah, so that's layering and fonts and glyphs and the massive font bundle. So go check it out. Again, the links are up at top for the bundle, for transfer tape, for the Oracal 651, the tray I can't give you for, but look how cute that turned out. So fun. All right, well, I hope you guys have a good day, and we will see you soon. Bye.